try to reach you, I can't hide how strong the feeling when we dive across the ocean of my mind. My wounds are healing with the salt of my senses intensified. Whenever you and I would dive across the ocean of my mind, but in the end I drown. You push me down, down.